Dad. No. Stop away. Stop that. Let's begin with number 1. Never be a bully. Number 2. Never talk to a bully. Number 3. Tell on bullies. But don't tell them you told on them because that's number 4. Don't tell on bullies and then tell them because then they'll bully you. That's my lesson for today. Bye-bye. Goodbye. My karaoke night.